after Prime Minister Modi's attack on Rahul Gandhi for quote-unquote eating with a silver spoon. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reiterated and echoed PM Modi's statement, slamming the Congress leader for being born with a silver spoon. While addressing a poll rally in Telangana, he had stated that on one hand, there is Prime Minister Modi who is leading the BJP, but on the other, there are scammers in Congress and their allies. Union Home Minister Amit Shah stated that Prime Minister Modi was born in a poor family, whereas Rahul Gandhi was born with a silver spoon, and has also slammed the Congress for only raising slogans of removing poverty but not actually doing anything about it. Before I go across to my colleague, let's in fact listen in to what Union Home Minister Shah had to say.
में लेकर मोदी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं और इंडी अलायंस अलग अलग दलों को मिलकर मिला है। मित्रों, ये चुनाव है, उसमें साफ खेमे पड़े हैं। एक और 12 लाख करोड़ के घपले घोटाले करने वाली कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके साथी दल है। दूसरी ओर 23 साल तक मुख्यमंत्री रहने के बावजूद भी जिन पर 25 पैसे का करप्शन का आरोप नहीं है, ऐसे हमारे नेता नरेंद्र मोदी है। भाइयों बहनों, एक और चांदी की चम्मच मुंह में लेकर पैदा हुए राहुल गांधी है और दूसरी ओर गरीब चाय बेचने वाले का बेटा नरेंद्र मोदी है। एक और 23 साल तक मुख्यमंत्री और प्रधानमंत्री रहते हुए दीपावली के दिन भी छुट्टी न मनाने वाले और दीपावली के दिन देश की सरहदों पर जवानों के साथ जाने वाले नरेंद्र मोदी है और दूसरी ओर टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बढ़ते ही बैंकॉक और थाईलैंड जाने वाले राहुल बाबा है। भाइयों बहनों, एक और 4 पीढ़ी से इंदिरा जी, राजीव जी, सोनिया जी और अब राहुल गांधी, 4 पीढ़ी से गरीबी हटाओ का नारा देने वाली कांग्रेस पार्टी है, मगर गरीबों के लिए कुछ नहीं किया। और दूसरी ओर नरेंद्र मोदी जी है, जिन्होंने 80 करोड़ गरीबों के लिए घर, गैस, शौचालय, बिजली, मुफ्त राशन, मुफ्त दवाइयां और घर में नल से जल देने का काम किया, वो नरेंद्र मोदी है। मोदी।
There, of course, we've heard Union Home Minister Shah's entire statement hitting out at the Congress party, particularly Rahul Gandhi. Of course, continuing the silver spoon dig that Prime Minister Modi had earlier taken at the Gandhi Sky. And my colleague Mehndi is still with us on the broadcast. Yet another barb traded in the war of words between the BJP and the Congress. This time it's Union Home Minister Amit Shah hitting out at Rahul Gandhi as well as the Congress party at large, stating that they're giving empty slogans of Garibi Hatao, but over the last 6 decades they've done nothing to remove poverty. But Modi has removed crores of people, pulled them out and alleviated poverty in the country. Take our viewers through Union Home Minister Shah's statement.
Yesterday, huge allegations have been made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the Secunderabad rally, as we all know. And I want to tell my viewers also that yesterday, Amit Shah was conducting 3 rallies in Telangana, and in one of his rallies in Secunderabad, he has taken a jibe at Congress party and Rahul Gandhi specifically. He specifically made the comparisons between Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Congress party and Bharatiya Janata Party. Once again, he he taken a jibe at Rahul Gandhi and saying him as Rahul Baba, Rahul Shahzada, and also the person who was born with silver spoon is being said by the Bharatiya Janata Party and Amit Shah yesterday also. And while comparing Rahul Gandhi to Narendra Modi, he said that Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party always do sloganeering about the Garibi Hatao, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi actually work upon it and work for nation over the issues of poverty. And about the silver spoon thing, and Amit Shah has made a clear statement that Rahul Gandhi is a person who has who is born with a silver spoon. But if we talk about Prime Minister, it has been said by Amit Shah that he is not a person who has been born with silver spoon, but he is a man who is a child, who is a son of a tea seller and who made tea when he was in his childhood. So major allegations have been made by Union Home Minister in the rallies. And also if we talk about other things, then he said that Article 370 abrogation is a very big deal that Bharatiya Janata Party did. And over that also, he attacked Congress and Rahul Gandhi while saying that when it was all happening, then Rahul Gandhi has made a statement that if Article 370 will be abrogated, then a bloodbath will happen in Kashmir. But it has been a lot of years right now, and no such thing as of a bloodbath has happened in Kashmir. So Rahul Gandhi and all his statements are false. So these big allegations have been made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And we saw earlier also that Prime Minister in his rallies and along with all the senior leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party is in an attacking mode and are taking jibe at the Congress Party along with the Indie Bloc partners and Rahul Gandhi again and again.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.